Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clear your dark knuckles almost immediately with 3 home recipes. So stay tuned if you have any knuckle problem and enjoy this video. After the mixture, you leave it to stay for at least 5 minutes for it to incorporate. While it is trying to mix, you want to brush your hand with your hard brush. The essence of exfoliating is so that anything you put in there will be able to penetrate deeply into your skin and make the recipe effective. Brush the dark parts thoroughly and then cover the hand with your black leather. This way the black leather will be able to hold back the moist and no air will be able to. You tie it well and stay for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you lose it carefully and soak your hand in a warm water. You can put your limes in the warm water. It helps a lot too. After washing it, you can use any carrier oil to use and moisturize your hand. You are going to see the effect immediately. You can continue this treatment weekly. That way you'll be able to maintain and balance your knuckles. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.